Very good evening. After many days, again, I will discuss about the identification of toxic medicinal plant. Recently, I have discussed on this topic at State Herbal Fair, Bhubaneswar, and today again I am explaining here. So, we have discussed many times that plants we can divide into two parts, medicinal and food plants, because every plants have some medicinal values, but few plants have food values. And now we have to observe which one is a toxic. Some food plants are also toxic. Some medicinal plants are also toxic. So major thing for medicinal plants, we cannot use direct the plant parts or use in very low concentration. If we are not able to use direct the plant parts, it means it has some toxic element. Or if we are using in very low concentration, it means it has some toxic element, but it has also medicinal values. For food plant, no more palatable, not tasty, not delicious, not edible, that is a toxic. Or used after traditional process. If some tribals communities they are consuming some plant parts after a traditional process, that process to extract or to what just to remove the toxic elements, that is called toxic plant. So these are the key to identify the toxic plant. So how to identify toxic plant? Leaves of three, let it be. Maximum plant having three leaves, it is a toxic. They are toxic. Or as per the animal behavior. If animal do not consume, it means sure it has some toxic component. You can observe here, like this is the one plant, Maniphytum fulvum. Okay, chimpanzee do not consume it as a food. They only consume in a specific time. So it is a toxic but medicinal. You can observe like wood ant incorporate resin into their nest to inhibit the growth of microorganisms. So it might be the resin has some toxic component which have antimicrobial impact. How to identify toxic plant? I have written something like it could be spiny hairs, too much milky, fast browning, whitish shape after cut, not palatable for herbivorous, occasional food of herbivorous, grow in low pH and bright in color. So you can observe like browning. So if you are observing such types of browning in the tubers, you can't consume directly those tubers. Like if you are observing different types of enzymes, also you can't consume directly. Like you can observe this is the Colocasia species. When we touch the Colocasia species, we feel skin irritation. It means it has some toxic component. So toxicity is equal to defense mechanism of a plant, and that defense mechanism we use as a medicinal agent. Degree of toxicity is variable within a plant or plant family. Toxicity in plant varies with the age of victim, environment, and stage of plant growth. So some toxins are produced by plants as a natural defense mechanism against predators, insect or microorganism, or as a consequence of infestation with microorganisms such as mold in response to climate stress such as drought or extreme humidity. So these are some poisonous component like alkaloid, glycosides, oxalate, photosynthesizing compound, phytotoxins, polypeptide, resin, toxic plant. A poisonous plant is defined as a plant that when touched or ingested in sufficient quantity can be harmful or fatal to an organism or any plant capable evoking a toxic and or a fatal reaction. Some toxic medicinal plant. First is Abrus percutaneous. Parts having toxicity, seeds, medicinal usage. Seed paste is effective against bacterial skin infection. Argemone mexicana, parts having toxicity, seed, medicinal usage used against skin itching. Calotropis gardensia, parts having toxicity, milky shape, medicinal usage, latex is used in fungal infection. Euphorbia niveolea, parts having toxicity, milky shape, spine, medicinal usage, leaf paste is used to reduce headache and with comfort. Datura stramonium, parts having toxicity, seeds, fruits, nectars, medicinal usage, leaf paste is used in skin infections. Jatropha gossypifolia, Piperbaceae, parts having toxicity, seeds, medicinal usage, latex is used to cure skin infections. Mucna pruriens, parts having toxicity, hair, seeds, medicinal usage used for the treatment of Parkinson disease. Renus cuminis, parts having toxicity, pod and seeds, medicinal usage, seed oil is used in skin infections. Strychnus noxvomica, parts having toxicity, bark, seeds, medicinal usage, dried seeds are used for the treatment of neuro disorders. Glorissa superba, parts having toxicity, all parts of the plant, especially the tubers, and root is mixed with coconut oil and used against skin infection. Cuscuta reflexa, parts having toxicity, whole plant, medicinal usage, whole plant paste is used against dandruff. Clistanthus cholinus, parts having toxicity, leaves and fruit, medicinal usage, leaf paste is used in fungal infection. Cassavella thavaceae, fruits and seeds, effective in treating skin infection. Rauwolfia tetraphylla, parts having toxicity, leaves and root. The leaves and root are used against high blood pressure but low concentration. I already said that if we have to identify the toxic plant species, this is also a key. If we are using any plant or plant parts in low concentration, it means it could be a toxic component. Erythema tortuosum, whole plant. The root decoction is used to kill stomach worm but low concentration. Aloe vera, parts having toxicity is gel. Gel is used for healing and softening the skin. We can't consume directly. If we consume directly, we can face some problem. Senna occidentalis, seeds. Seeds are used to treat joint pain but in low concentration. Aglatum conjugates, whole plant. The leaf paste is used as antiseptic. Physalis minima, leaves and stem have toxicity and medicinal usage used in the treatment of asthma. Semicarpus anacardium or Bhalia, it is popularly known as Bhalia or Bhelva, parts having toxicity fruit, medicinal usage used in the treating bacterial and fungal infection. So thank you very much for this session.